Hey guys, Ultimate Sports 19 here. Just got a lot back from my latest Walmart run, and I picked up Victory 11-12 Hockey. So, the MVP cards are now in Victory, so you can find the MVP cards in here. Don't want to tear the box, so let's find a way to open this without tearing it. No, not there. There we go. So, getting it from the wrong side. Okay, so there is 11 packs per box. Same old. 11 packs per box. 6 cards per pack. See what I'm opening. Victory Hockey. Zoom out. I have first card is a Alex Burrows. Whoa. Whoa, sorry guys, that light just burnt out. Alright, so now that that light's all burnt out, need to move it over here. Alex Burrows, Alexander Burmistrov, Steven Stamkos, Gabe Rickers, Paul Stastny auto of MVP, Alexander Semin, and Jeff Carter. Next pack. Ooh, this one's thin. I have a Marian Gaborik, Blake Comeau, Patrice Bergeron, rookie Matt Campanelli. I already have that one. So that one's for trade. All these are for trade. Alex Hemsky, Corey Schneider. Patrick Elias, Rick Nash, Andre Bennett, rookie, Brooks Light, Thomas Volkun, and Brett Burns. This is my second box of Victory that I've opened. Alex Edler, Danny Heatley, stars the game of Evgeny Malkin. Rookie auto of Matt Freighton. And then I have a Pierre-Marc Bouchard and Yaroslav Halak. Not so good so far with the inserts, because I already have some of them. Ryan Malone, Dion Phaneuf, Mika Koiskinen. I already have that one. Victor Hedman, Jonathan Erickson, Sidney Crosby. Okay, let's go pick up the luck here. RJ Umberger, Daniel Briere, Ryan Callahan, rookie Eric Condra. I already have that one too. Martin St. Louis, and a Claude Giroux. James Neal, Cam Fowler, starts the game, Jonathan Toews, already have that one. Ooh, nice Shea Weber auto. Craig Anderson, and Linus Ullmark. 4 packs left. Antti Matt Moulson. Nice Dustin Byfuglien Game Breakers. Nice Cam Ward MVP auto. PK Subban, Michael Frolik. This damaged card. Damn it. There was a Andre Kostitsyn, Mark Stahl, Tyler Ennis, Scott Timmins rookie. Yes, Scott Timmins rookie. Oh, Scott Timmins played for the Windsor Spitfires. I am from Windsor. Antoine Vermette and Thomas Plekanec. See, I did not damage that card because none of these are damaged. I've been opening them all the same way. Ryan Smith, David Jones, Eric Stahl Game Breakers, Jonathan Quick auto, Kyle Turris, and Milan Hague. Last card, and then I don't know. I guess I'm gonna be sending that damaged one to Upper Deck. It's just a shame that it's damaged. Paul Stastny, Wojtek Wolski, Eric Gustafson, already have that one, Christian Ehrhoff, Scott Hartnell, and a Nikolai Kulemin. So, that was Victory 11-12 hockey. I really like this pack. Nice, lots of inserts, and unfortunately, I got a damaged card. Bent corner, pretty damaged. So yeah, be sending that one to Upper Deck, I don't know, so they could look at it. Good thing I was making a video of it, that way they could see I did not damage it upon opening it. Camera's not going to want to focus. Still not going to want to focus. There you go, damaged card. Nice crease. Good pack. Lots and lots of, got lots of doubles though, and my light burnt out, so that's great. Alright, see you guys. Ultimate Sports 19 is out. Remember, I am collecting the set of Victory 11-12 hockey. So if you got any cards, message me or send me them, and then we could trade, work out a deal, something. Got lots of doubles in that pack. So okay, thanks.